I am really tired. I want to leave this world now, but I can't, for I am still alive, kicking to survive, busy collecting honey from the beehive. God can't be bribed. From his love, faith is derived to blossom my sincerity of care to God. You are the filler of my soul, rectifier of my words, identifier of my good works. Honestly, I am really tired. I need God's strength, for I know that God never tired of me. He keeps loving me for me not to be a flat tire.